Okay, so before I create a background material, I think what I'm going to do is make a little bit of a change to the material on this bag. I mean, it's just this white shape in the middle of a kind of white and gray field. So let's just make a small change there, simple as possible. I'm already in the materials tab. If you're not, there's a few different ways you can get at this. If, for example, you're in your regular layout view, you can and you have the material selected, you can just go to the properties area and select material properties. And if the material exists, if I have a material here, a material slot here, and a material applied here, then it's a simple matter of making the changes down here. If there's not a slot here, you can simply add a slot by pushing the plus sign, or subtract the slot if there's other slots you don't need. Likewise, if there's not a material here, if you have existing materials in the project, you can click on the drop down and select other materials. Otherwise, you can create a new material here as well. With the material existing, and of course, you can always either change the timeline here uh, to your shader editor, or go to your shading tab to bring up the materials as well. So anyway, in this case, I'm just doing the simplest thing possible. I just want this to be something that's kind of easier to pop out and see and visualize with other things happening around it. So I'm just going to go to the base color under the material properties. I'm going to select the color, and I'm just going to give this some color. That's it. Just something to differentiate it from what's going on around it. In this case, I'm going with kind of a pink or a red or a salmon tone, uh, just so that it kind of pops out for the time being until I create a material for it later.